Hello friends, this is the InStyle Knitting Studio. In this lesson, we will get acquainted with bobble stitches. They are also called front relief stitches. For the sample, I knitted a chain of 15 chain stitches, as well as a row of double crochet stitches. For those who do not yet know how to do this, we learned in previous lessons. If you missed the lessons, I will leave links to the lessons below the video for you. To transition to the next row, we will make 2 chain stitches for lifting and turn the work. Now let's take a closer look at our double crochet stitches. They have a post. This is the post and the loop. The loop is located at the top. When working a regular double crochet stitch, we insert the hook into the loop, but today we are learning to knit bobble stitches. So we yarn over and insert the hook from right to left behind the second stitch of the previous row. That is, we insert the hook between the first and second stitches. We place the hook behind the stitch of the previous row, grab the working yarn, pull it through, and work a regular double crochet. We have made the first bobble stitch. We yarn over again. We insert the hook from right to left behind the next stitch of the previous row. We grab the working yarn. We pull it through and also work a double crochet stitch. Yarn over again. We insert the hook behind the next stitch of the previous row. The hook is directed from right to left. We grab the working yarn. We pull it through and work a regular double crochet. This is how bobble stitches are made. That is, the hook is inserted not into the loop of the previous row, but between the posts. Thus, the post is in front of the hook, just like this. I will continue to the end of the row. We can see that our bobble stitches are closer to us. This is the front side, and this is the back side. Now, to move to the next row, we will also make 2 chain stitches. We will turn the work and continue crocheting in the same way. That is, we make a yarn over and insert the hook behind the post of the previous row. It turns out behind the second one. We grab the yarn. Then we do a double crochet. We insert the hook from the right. We insert it to the left behind the post. We will continue like this further. That's all for now. If you have any questions, please ask in the comments. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss anything new. And we will see you in the next video lesson. Bye bye.